Okay, here are two Daikin central air conditioning units at a rest stop in Minnesota. Currently, neither of these are running. And these units replaced AAON units a couple years ago, but I never got a video of them though. And these units have ECM fan motors. They got broad ocean fan motors, ECM fan motors. This is from 2021, and that's a 510. And I think this one was actually from 2018. Let's see. Yeah, this one's from 2018, and it's a 410. See, I thought both these were 2018 units last time, but I guess this one's 3 years newer. But yeah, these units replaced AAON units a couple years ago. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these units again. Okay, here is one more Daikin central air conditioning unit that I did not film last time. This unit actually replaced a Lennox Merit unit. That one's a 310 from 2021. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of the units here. Anyways, thanks for watching.